How to fix VIP Access app not working. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix VIP Access app not working. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure you are using the latest version of the app. If not, open the App Store and tap the search icon. Search for the VIP Access app. If an update button appears, tap it to update it to the latest version. Now, go to Settings of your iPhone. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Find VIP Access mobile app. Tap it and select Offload App. Now tap Reinstall when the option appears. If the issue persists, go to Settings. Tap General. Now tap iPhone Storage. Tap Delete App to uninstall it, and then reinstall the VIP Access mobile app from the Play Store. So that is how we fix VIP Access app not working. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.